morning. I'm going to talk about compound sentences today, and we only have one example. It's not the most stellar sentence, an exciting sentence, but it works. As a reminder, you can tell a sentence is compound with one simple trick. So if we read the sentence, I'll show it to you. The boy played on the swings and he ran down the hill. Now, some people think that any sentence with the word "and" in it is a compound sentence. That would be an incorrect thought. So when you find a coordinating conjunction, any of the fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, any of those, or any coordinating conjunctions, or later on subordinating conjunctions, box the conjunction. In this sentence, the conjunction is and. You will know that a sentence is a compound sentence if on either side of that box you have a complete thought. So in front of the box we have the boy played on the swings. Think to yourself, is that a complete thought? What's your subject? Simple subject. Boy. What's your simple predicate? Played. If you have both of those, complete thought. But on the other side of the box, he ran down the hill. Simple subject. He. Simple predicate. Ran. Do you have a subject and a predicate? If you do, it's a complete thought. So a compound sentence by definition is a sentence that combines, compound, combines two independent clauses, independent thoughts, two simple sentences. It combines them with a coordinating conjunction and then something else that often kids miss when they come up to the 5th grade. This is the big deal. Like when you're actually using this, when you become an adult, your boss is not going to ask you to diagram sentences, but you will have to write sentences and they're going to expect you to use correct grammar. So the important piece of this compound sentence is that you have your coordinating conjunctions in there, there's a complete thought on either side, and the punctuation is super important. The comma goes before the coordinating conjunction. A lot of people put it after the coordinating conjunction, but that would be incorrect. You need to put it before. Obviously, the sentence also needs a period, so I'll put that in. Now, in order to diagram it, it is super easy. You just diagram one sentence at a time. They're just two simple sentences that are combined. I always start with the first sentence, right? God is the God of order. You go in order. So first sentence, well, what is your simple subject? That would be boy. Simple predicate, played. A good strategy is to cross out words while you are going. All right, now I can go left to right. You should not diagram left to right until your subject and predicate is done. All right, I've got boy played, so the, which boy? The boy played. And now we've got on the swings. Think to yourself, what is on the swings? It's a prepositional phrase. You've got to think to yourself, prepositional phrases often tell you where, when. So on the swings is telling you where boy, where played. Where played. So that's where it goes. Draw your L. On is your preposition. On what? One word. Swings. So swings. And then your article adjective, the, goes under swings. On the swings. Okay. That sentence is all the way done. Now we go on to your second sentence. Again, I try to line these up just to keep everything organized. Simple subject is he. Simple predicate, ran. And now we've got down the hill. Well, what is down the hill? If you're thinking it's a prepositional phrase, you're correct. And prepositional phrases tell where and when. Where? Down the hill. Down the hill is where he ran. It's where he ran. So we're going to put under ran, down is your prepositional phrase, or so your preposition, down what? Hill. Down hill. And the goes under hill. Now you've got to connect your two sentences. Conjunctions always go on dotted lines. For compound sentences, you've got to connect your two sentences at the left-hand side, like this. Is that important? Yes, it lets me know you know this is a compound. You have to connect. For compound sentences, you have to connect on the left-hand side. And you put your coordinating conjunction on the dotted line, and. So now the sentence is completely diagrammed correctly. as a recap, compound sentences by definition, you take two complete thoughts, two independent clauses, and you combine them using a coordinating conjunction. A compound sentence is two complete thoughts being combined.